180 dead. Love the damage of this gun. It's amazing, guys. I love it. I love it. There's another flintlock. I love that. Okay, let me try to find a tent here. Someone's like literally right here somewhere. Oh, alright. Oh, I was trying to climb that. I jumped on the wrong side, wrong spot. What do we do here? I'm a little late, but yeah, this works. Alright, I want to freaking do some climbing here. He went under that? How the heck did he get under that? Bro. Oh, you're lucky I ran out of builds. What I have in full box there? He said, it's all good. How long has it been since I've not been live? It's been like 2 days, I think. Today's Tuesday, right? Oh, today's Wednesday. Hey. Today's Wednesday, so I didn't actually. It's been like 3 days I haven't streamed. No, please stop moving. Does he see me? He definitely sees me, right? Like he's building to block me, right? There's one shot. Nice, it's nice. I'm gonna slide in and no. Dead. Love that. I'll grab this. I'll grab that. Nice, it's nice. I'll grab that. Might be in this bush. I think he's literally. I'm pretty sure I saw his head in this bush. Oh my god. Yeah. GG. Dead. A gold honey rifle. I mean, maybe I can try to like. I'll use it for now. Don't mind. He tried to freaking escape. He tried to sprint out of there. I like that. I love it. I want to see the rest of the shockwaves, maybe. Actually, there's one more. Why not? I just no-scoped him. Oh, what the? Wait, how much damage did I just do with the gold one? The gold one used to do 100. $198 to the head. All right, I just gold heavy sniper does the same thing. To the head. I don't want to get caught in a storm here. Oh no, what am I doing, bro? Even that one, nah. What am I doing? Hold on, 3rd time's a charm, as usual. I just need a better angle. Oh, you see that movement? I don't know what his next move is here. I don't know what it is. Never let him know your next move, right? So, that's it. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There we go. 3rd time's a charm, like I said, guys. You know what? I just felt it, guys. You know, like you know when you get that feeling, you just know something's gonna happen. And you just make it happen. Okay, we're good. Like he just stops moving. All right. There we go. I'm going in there with a boat, maybe even a chicken too, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna have to bring my chicken this way. Imagine. Oh, I just killed a freaking bird. I'm sorry, bird. Alright, bro. Alright. You know what? predicted. I missed that, really. 40 damage. Hold on. No scope coming in hot here. Oh my god. Oh, bro, I'm not even kidding. If I was like a little higher up, I could have actually hit that. Where is he at? I think he's in his cabin right here. Oh, shed. I feel like he went in that bush. No scope again. No way, bro. Oh, that works. I mean, too close. He's got a build there. I respect it. I would do the same. Oh, hey, there's a guy there. Oh no, he's right there. I'm mad, bro. I got a clip like that. Just hit the guy right in the head. Oh, there he is. I'm just gonna get in. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I want to see if a no scope can connect over here, but I guess not. I'll mend this. I'll take that. Alright, I'm gonna have to like. He's okay, he's got a gold pump because he's doing a lot of damage from range with that thing. I think I left a big pot here. I did. There it is. That's what I was looking for. GG. They jumped right. They jumped right in my head. I knew it. Look at that gold pump. I freaking knew it. I knew I was right. That was is that a decent amount of no scopes that game? I don't even know. GG.